In this passage from Luke 15 verses 1 to 10, we encounter one of the most tender and profound revelations of God's heart. Jesus speaks directly to the Pharisees and teachers who criticized him for welcoming sinners, and through the parables of the lost sheep and the lost coin, he reveals what divine love truly looks like. Imagine a shepherd who leaves behind 99 sheep to search for one that has wandered away. An act that might seem irrational by worldly standards but perfectly captures the nature of God's mercy. God's love is not statistical. It is personal, specific, and relentless. Each soul matters deeply to him. The shepherd's joy in finding the lost sheep mirrors God's joy when one sinner repents and returns home. It tells us that we are never too far gone, never too lost, never beyond redemption. Similarly, the woman who searches her home tirelessly for a lost coin shows us the persistence and care of God's pursuit. The light she uses to find what's lost reflects the light of Christ that seeks us out even in our darkest moments. The parables remind us that heaven itself rejoices, literally celebrates, when even one of us chooses to turn back toward the Father. But this isn't only about being found once. It's also a call to imitate that divine mercy in our own lives. We are invited to be shepherds to others, to seek out those who are hurting, forgotten, or drifting away from faith. It challenges us to reflect on our attitudes. Do we rejoice when others find grace, or do we stand in judgment like the Pharisees? The message of Jesus is clear: mercy, not condemnation, is the heart of God's kingdom. Each of us has been that lost sheep, carried home by grace we didn't deserve, and now we are called to carry others in love. In our busy, self-focused world, these parables urge us to see value in every person, to rejoice in restoration rather than focus on loss. The joy of God is not found in perfection but in return. As you meditate on this passage, imagine the shepherd's smile as he lifts the sheep onto his shoulders. Feel that same warmth of divine embrace that awaits every soul willing to come home. Let it inspire you to let go of pride, to forgive, to seek reconciliation, and to rejoice when someone else finds their way back to God. Because in the end, the gospel is not about how far we've wandered, but about how fiercely we are loved, pursued, and welcomed back. That is the heart of the Good Shepherd, a love that never gives up, a love that finds us, and a love that celebrates when we are finally home.